Hi there, this is Shinjini from moderngypsy.in, and today's another experimental, playful video in my art journal. So, what I've done is I have gone through some of my um, painted papers. A lot of these are just cleanup papers, and pulled out some papers. This is just some coffee dyed book paper, and I'm going to start building up a page using collage. And again, not something that I do too often. Generally, the collage ends up in the background for me more often than not. And this time, I just want to see if I can let the uh, collage kind of dictate how this spread evolves, and what really happens with it. So it's going to be an experiment, and I hope that um, you will join me and try out a few things, and that you'll get to learn a few things as well, and that I will get to learn a few things about collaging too. So I'm just going to play around with some of these papers and kind of see how I want to place them, and we'll just kind of build up the page from there, just see what happens. Although as I am looking at these two pieces, this reminds me of a face, and I'm wondering if I actually want to put in a face here. and she's done. So this was a really interesting experiment in using collage as a starting point and as a main, in a way, focal element on this art journal page. When I started, I certainly did not anticipate that I would be painting another face and figure, but that's how it is, and I kind of just rolled with it. But it was a lot of fun to use some of my own collage papers in this manner as a focal image and a main element on the page. I hope that you enjoyed watching my process and that you will give it a try in your own art journals. And if you do create something based on this video, and if you do share it on Instagram, do tag me there at moderngypsy.in. I would love to see what you create. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so that you can get notifications of new videos as they are uploaded. As of now, that's going to be every alternate Saturday. So I'll see you again next time. Until then, take care and keep creating.